Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel NFTGM. Welcome to AXM token Axmint, where you can also get the ultimate decentralized platform for earning crypto in the DeFi market. We are excited to introduce a gaming-changing opportunity that combines cloud mining, tokenomics, and community reward. Traditional mining methods are often cumbersome, expensive, and inaccessible to many users. That's why we are created to AXM to democratize the access to crypto earning and make it easy for anyone to get started. So we will also provide the solution about this multi-chain using BNB USDT you can purchase in their presale. Don't skip any part of this video. It is requested. If you are new on my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and FTGM and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. All these link will be provided in video description where you can get the solution like AXM offer a user-friendly cloud mining experience with 6 mining packages. Choose from the range of packages. Like here we are talking about the packages, then you can also choose what you are going to start. So there is also wide range of packages with varying the hashing power to suit your needs. Auto mining let our mining rigs work for you with auto transfer of earning your wallet. You can also get up to 200% return. Earn more by double your mining investment. There is also secure platform where you can get unlimited liquidity, trade the AXM coin with minimal price slippage and competitive rates. So you can also participate, join the pre-sale and get a reward on this interface to get. Like if you are going to participate in the pre-sale, there will be referral reward by which you can invite your friend to. That is also another level, and there is binary system. At AXM we believe in the power of community. That's why we are building a platform that rewarding contributors and footer growth together. Like there is also a vibrant ecosystem with the initial price of AXM $0.4 and listing will be near about $1 or $2 per AXM. Like how much you will invest your money, this will be going to 100x. And here you can also invite your friends so that you can also meet together, grow together, be a part of vibrant community that is shaping your future of DeFi. So you have to join. Don't miss out this opportunity to be a part of something big. Join the AXM pre-sale now. Start minting your way to success. So here is also available partner that is working behind this project as Dextrade, Coin Market Cap, Coin Ranking, Coin Gecko, and there is much more other available as working Axmint backup. And here you can also check out AX operating system that will connect all your rigs on the cloud, and operating system that will also give you allowance like permission so that you can also run multiple rigs on cloud server with remote monitoring or remote. Here you can also read out these article that is about their AXM blockchain. Let's get started with the minting like mining of rig work for you. There is 25 million AXM with 75% of AXM will be auto mined per rig hash power. Here is 6 mining packages. There is volatility rewarding and you can earn more near about to 200% of mining return that will be given to you once you have to start mining on the marketplace. There you can make per day 0.95% of your investment and run auto mining. Here is secure withdrawal, flexible term deposit, so you can also buy or sell this token very easily. Here be a part of liquidity provider with NFT collection. You can also invite your friend. As much as you can do your investment, your profit will be double. You can change your life according to your investment. This is going to be a profitable thing for you. So next you can check out, there is also deep dive into the world of Axmint crypto mining. Like you are going to get the support of their social media links. There is Twitter, Telegram. I will provide this link in video description so that you can also find these one of the best project as Axmint services. The economy has been shared. You can also read out about the AXM token Axmint where you can also get this token. I hope that you are going to buy this price, and you can also check out the maximum supply, circulating supply on BSC. this will be going to be on next level. And here is a lot of profitable thing for you. You can start minting. If you want to click on this, then you can also check out what is the minting process. This is one of the most powerful hashing protocol that will be work, and you can start working with the devices. Here there are also 1,80,000 their active members that are also going to start mining their node. Here is also about the Axmint token. Like if you check out, then you can also search next level details. Here you can also get 12 to 20% liquid stake with the DeFi project, and you can also get analysis of the Axmint token, how this is going to be profitable thing for you, and Axmint lab community airdrop in which you can participate very easily. This is also about the Axmint lab for the crypto innovations, where you can deploy the cutting edge technology to get work on the decentralized ecosystem. Axmint machine is also basically a blockchain that is also coming soon. It will be available working on the web3 apps and gaming. Here is payment system that you can get a safe, reliable with gas fee payment and crypto payments web3. So you are also going to work the internal card too. If you want to participate in the airdrop, then you can also check out the essential information about the airdrop in which you can participate to claim free Axmint airdrop. You have to enter your BEP20 on it. Here you have to put the BEP20 wallet address, click on the reward, and next you can also check for the reward. Like if you have participated in the airdrop, then you can also claim. You have to follow them on their Facebook, their Twitter, and then you can also put follow them on their social media links. All these has been done. Then you have to click on the submit task. It will be done. Like you will be done about the claiming Axmint token airdrop. Next you can also check out their details about their white paper, their business plan, their milestone. If you want to know more about their community, you have to join them, their community, on different social media links where you are going to get participate. So I hope that you have cleared, and if you want to know more about them, you have to read about the Axmint presale with BNB. Very soon it will be started and you can participate in that. So I hope that you have cleared. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.